Alright, what you're looking at here is the brake pads. This is a 2005, I guess, Dodge Grand Caravan. Right here is your brake pad. You can see this metal thing right here. That's what they call a brake wear indicator. Or if you're from south side of St. Louis, we call those the squealers. But that's only if you're from the south side of St. Louis. Anyway, you can see that the end of this is pretty far away from the rotor right here. When your brake pad, these brake pads are in real good shape. When your brake pads get real worn out, this will actually contact the rotor and make a constant squealing noise as you're going down the road, or even if your foot's off the pedal, you'll still get a squealing noise from the front of your, from the front of your tires. That's most of the time. That's what that is this here is contacting the rotor and let you know it's time for some new brakes. Not all cars or brake pads have that, because if you look here, this is the rear brakes of the same car. And you can see these brake pads pretty wore down. See that? Very little material left. And neither one of these pads have a wear indicator, so it's a good thing we got this in when we did, because these pads do not have a wear indicator. So once you run out of this material here, you're going to be metal on metal with this rotor, which means new rotors at that point. So if your car is making a constant squeaking noise, even when your foot's off the brake, have your brakes checked. That's probably what it is.